Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a good old basic tune-up report for Gerald in Pennsylvania on the Stryker 655. Gerald went through and did some audio mods to it and our tune alignment. Sounding really good. Let's start with our power all the way down, 50 watt slug. It's 2 watts all the way down. Let's roll it all the way up. 20 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low, about 32 bird, 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. That's 77 bird. Peak, I'm sorry. And let's hook, let's see, do we want to hook this up? If I can do it one-handed. We're going to hook up to our, we're going to go over here to Toshiba land. Right here. And we're going to listen to the talkback through the driver extreme speaker. Turn that up a little bit.
1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Break, break, break.
Sounding all kinds of good. All right, we're gonna get it out to you, my friend. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye bye.